Welcome to Lesson 3.1 of our Payload CMS course. Today, we're diving into the process of setting up a Next.js front end to integrate seamlessly with Payload CMS. If you worked with Payload CMS so far, you know how powerful it is as a content management system. Pairing it with a front-end framework like Nextjs gives you the tools to create fast, scalable, and dynamic applications. Let's dive in and see how this setup works. Let's start by answering an important question. Why combine Payload with Next.js? Payload provides a flexible and developer-friendly backend for managing your content. It's built with a modern stack and designed to fit seamlessly into any application. Next.js, on the other hand, offers a high-performance framework for creating dynamic, interactive front-end applications. With server-side rendering, static site generation, and built-in API routes, it's ideal for building projects that need to be both user-friendly and SEO optimized. Together, they allow you to decouple your front-end and back-end, scale independently, and create robust applications tailored to your needs. For example, think about an e-commerce application. Payload can handle product data, customer views, and order management, while Next.js ensures that users experience lightning-fast page loads and smooth navigation. Similarly, for a content-heavy blog or news site, Payload manages your articles and media, while Next.js optimizes delivery for different devices and regions. This combination is powerful and versatile for many use cases. Now, let's set up your development environment. The easiest way to integrate Payload with Nextjs is by using the create-payload-app command. This command sets up everything you need, pre-configured and ready to go. Here's the command. The terminal will guide you through options such as setting up a database, selecting TypeScript, and adding example content. Pay attention to these prompts to ensure your app is tailored to your requirements. Once completed, you'll have a project with both the CMS and front end configured and ready to go. If there are any errors during setup, check your Node.js version and ensure you have PNPM installed. Let's look at the project structure generated by create-payload-app. This structure is designed to keep everything organized and easy to manage. The admin route configures the Payload CMS admin panel using Next.js's app router. Payload config. This is the core configuration file where you define your CMS settings, including collections and fields. And the app directory. This is where you'll build your front-end components using Next.js. For example, within the payload config file, you might define custom fields for user authentication, roles, or complex relationships between collections. The use of Next.js's app router ensures seamless navigation and powerful server-side rendering capabilities, making it easy to scale up by adding new pages or collections without disrupting your core CMS logic. Now, let's configure Payload CMS using a modular approach. Instead of defining all collections directly in Payload config, we'll use the collections folder in your src directory, with each collection in its own file. This keeps your configuration organized and maintainable. First, let's create a collection for the posts. Then, import and include this collection in your payload config. This modular approach makes it easier to scale and manage your collections as your application grows. Using separate files for collections ensures that your payload config remains concise and focused. This is especially helpful in larger projects where you might have dozens of collections with complex configurations. With your configuration in place, it's time to run the project. Open your terminal, navigate to your project folder, and start the development server using the command pnpm-dev. Once the server is running, navigate to http localhost 3000/admin in your browser. This is the admin panel for Payload CMS. From here, you can add, edit, and manage your content. In the admin panel, you'll see the post collection we created earlier. Try adding a new post to test the functionality. You'll also notice features like rich text editing, media uploads, and field validation, all configured from our modular collection files. If the panel doesn't load, check the server logs for errors or ensure that your database connection is properly configured. Finally, let's address some common setup issues and how to resolve them. Port conflicts. If localhost 3000 is already in use, update the port in your Nextjs configuration. Database connection errors. Ensure your database is running and the connection parameters are correct. Missing dependencies. Run pnpm install to ensure all required packages are installed. For deeper debugging, Payload's logging system provides detailed error messages. You can also explore the Payload and Nextjs documentation for advanced topics like customizing middleware, optimizing database queries, or deploying to production. In this lesson, we covered the essential steps to set up a Nextjs frontend with Payload CMS. You now have the tools to scaffold a project, configure Payload CMS, and run it locally. These are the foundational steps for creating a content-driven application. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to fetch data from your CMS and display it on your front end.